What's the meaning of Christian era? Christian era. Christian era.
Christian era. Christian era. The term Christian era refers to the system of dating years from the birth of Jesus Christ, which is widely used in the Western world. This dating system was introduced in the 6th century by a Christian monk named Dionysius Exiguus, who was working on developing a chronology of Easter. The use of this system spread throughout Europe and then to other parts of the world, becoming the standard way of dating years in many countries. Today, the Christian era is commonly abbreviated as AD, Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord.